In this video, I will show you how to view credits Amazon offers. So to do that, simply open up Amazon in your app or simply open up Chrome. In the search bar, search for Amazon, then click on the URL. From here, sign in from this icon in the top right beside the cart icon. And once you sign into your account, this will be your home page again. After that, simply click on this three lines menu bar in the top left corner. Here you will find accounts and list. Simply click on it, then click on account. There you can look for no rush reward summary or your credit benefits and balance. Simply click on it. There you can view total rewards, digital balance, expiration date, etc. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.